Come with me to discover an incredible animal parade today. Look, there's a bird on that closed box. Wow, these animals are swimming together perfectly. The mother duck and ducklings look so adorable as they walk on the ground. And this small object in the drain hole is a fun challenge. The traffic stopping by is just amazing. Check out this group of people standing on the street next to this guy on a bike. Here's a picture of a traffic jam on a busy highway. It's a mess, but look at the bright side. Thanks for watching. Come with me on an adventure as we travel across the globe with our furry friends.